along with us. We are headed up the highway to take a leather and fur mitten making class at a community center in our general area. So we're very excited about this. Tom signed both of us up in December, and as I said, it's taking place at a small community center. It's a day-long class, and we're going to bring you along. So not sure how much we'll be able to film inside the class. Definitely going to be able to give you some glimpses of what we're doing though along the way. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy it. Tom's really excited.
Yeah. Well, in future, I do hope that at some point I can get a trapper's license, be able to get some furs and such. And with doing that, having this type of experience and ability would definitely be beneficial for what we want to do with the furs.
Absolutely, yeah. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to be using moose hide and beaver furs in the class today, but I mean that could change. That was what the flyer advertised. But yeah, it would definitely be nice to be able to get some time in working with different types of furs. Maybe they all act the same, maybe they all act very differently. We don't know that, but we're going to learn today. So come along with us and enjoy. Look at her cutting everything. That's beautiful. Okay, that's what we try. tighter than the right, but that's okay. Like around the wrist. But otherwise, they're a really nice fit. Usually, yeah. It's true. Okay, we just left our mitten class. It was amazing. What were your thoughts, Tom?
You know what? Like, I had a good time. My hands hurt. I was definitely not used to doing that much hand sewing because I've never really done hand sewing.
Yeah, neither have I. It was a lot of that's more hand sewing I've done my entire life. We just didn't last whatever 6-8 hours. How long were we there?
Oh yeah, like we were there at like 9.
Yeah, 9 to 4 is what the class
so 7
went,
hours
and
hand sewing.
it was a lot of hand sewing. But definitely learned a lot, and apparently we did really well. We were almost done. We're like 95% done the mitts. I can show you actually. Yeah. So we've got our mitts. We just have to finish attaching this last thing. We ran out of that. We were in a thread. Yeah, no, I think it was great. If you ever see something like this being offered in your community by another member of your community, definitely hop on board, take that opportunity. We met some really awesome other local-ish people there. Kind of people came from quite a large area around this community center, but it was nice, and we had a great time.
Yeah, it was. I'm really happy with the level of education that came with it, because it's just now it's something that we can potentially make in future, which is just awesome in my eyes.
Absolutely, yeah. So next step is working towards acquiring our own hides, our own leather.
Yeah.
And we'll be able to make some cool stuff. Definitely got some confidence to not be afraid to tackle a project like that down the road. So yeah, awesome. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Thanks so much for clicking on our video. If you're still watching, extra special thank you. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.